Go ahead, Austin. I'll record you. He's asking me to record. Go ahead. You gonna play on Lightning?
Cool.
Or you just want to show off Lightning? You're proud of him?
Are you cool?
Oh, and we've been playing train this morning. We've had a really busy morning, haven't we? Been really busy. So he's been playing on this Lightning like non-stop. He absolutely loves it. But I think what he's gonna love more is the box. It always seems to go this way. I guarantee as soon as I make like a tunnel or something out of this, he will be all about it. You want to play in a tunnel? Can you say tunnel? Tunnel, yeah. Let's try it out. Ready? Austin, watch this. You're gonna love this. Ready? Oh. What do we got here? Hold on. Not yet.
Daddy gotta cut those big stuff.
All right. There you go. There's your little fort. You want to try your tunnel out? Go through it. Go. Come in this way. This way. Come. Yeah. Cool. It's like a little like spaceship. There's no way you can fit Aiden. No way.
Oh, I can totally fit in.
You'll never fit. Quick, run, brother's coming. So would you say the tunnel in the box is fun for all ages, Aiden?
Yeah.
Alright, you think Daddy can fit?
Daddy!
What is that face for? No, I probably definitely can't fit in that.
Daddy fit?
Looks like fun though.
Daddy fit?
Daddy fit?
Yeah, Daddy fit?
I think the box would explode, Austin. Go ahead, you go through. Spaceship, can you say vroom? Vroom!
Well, you got it.
Yeah. Ready for the spaceship to take off? Whoosh. Hey, that's not nice. No hitting the camera. Oh, I guess I was wrong, Austin. I can fit. Yay! Yeah, we can both fit. Oh, you made it. Oh, we're good. We're good.
A little bit of a problem. It's starting to rip.
Uh-oh. That's okay.
You gonna go see Pig? Is that scary? Look, who's that?
You want to get out? Go see Cow?
Look, cow.
What's Cow say?
Hi.
Hi.
Wait,
Okay, let's go see the farm. Let's go see cows and pigs. Yeah, let's go. Hi everybody, good morning. So today we're here. This is a local farm fest that they are having. There's a lot of things going on. There is burgers, I guess, to eat. There is games going on. I guess, I don't know if you missed the petting animal trip or not, but it seems like there's a lot of events going on. So we're gonna be here for a while and check everything out and have you guys enjoy it with us. Who's ready?
I think they...
Who's gonna eat burger? Yeah. Woo! Okay, so it looks like there's a farm tour line over there, up there. So we're gonna go there because I think we're gonna start with the farm tour because that is supposed to end soon too. So hopefully it hasn't ended yet. We'll see. Austin, come on, let's go see the animals. Is this the line for a farm tour?
Yep. Yes.
Okay. All right. Look, Austin, there's the tractor coming over there.
Let's go right.
How come I do? That's where we're gonna go. You wanna go ride?
7 years. And our motto is looking forward since 1806. So we're always doing what we can to be more sustainable, do more for our planet.
Oh, it's dark in there. He doesn't like dark. It's okay. Look, baby's here. See, baby. Look. Oh, look, cows. Look at all these cows. Look. What do you think?
Wow, that's so cool.
What does cow say? Yeah.
Yeah, they're making you some milk.
Now our
That's
first
Smiley and Sharon.
they're up here for
And
the
Slushy. Oh, Snicky.
And then how long are the calves allowed to nurse?
They aren't allowed to.
Yeah, they're
Not
making
at
you
all,
some
not
milk.
even for the
You want some
cost.
milk?
Mom is
Look at what a gorgeous view this farm has.
the calf.
Excuse me.
So the whole, like this
area
all
is
animal
just
agriculture, the whole point is to not stress out the animals. So we just originally an asparagus farm. So all of what we're looking on used to be asparagus fields. My many great uncles.
Hey Austin, do you see that cow drool? Ew! Is he drooling? Ew! Look at dribble on you. There, look over there. Drool! Ew! Drool! Ew! Drool!
Yeah, Aiden, so you see the drool hanging off the cow's face right there?
Yeah.
How much for you to take one lick of it right off the cow's face? How much money? Come on, $1 million? That's too much.
No.
How about 10 bucks?
No.
$100. $1,000? I think that might be a pretty good price. I'd consider it for $1,000.
All right, guys, this is exactly what we need for our house. A big vacuum. Is it cleaning, Austin? Look at it. Say bye, robot. Bye bye. That's the robot you like. You like robots, don't you? Say bye, robot. That's the farm we were at, Austin. Look at how far that is. That's how far we went. Tweet, tweet, there's birds over there.
Our youngest one is here, 10:05. And then this one, 10:04, was born 2 days ago as well, but just a couple hours before. Yeah, they're about 100 pounds.
No, we're not getting down. We're gonna look at the babies. Look at the
So I'd
babies.
say we keep them separated because they like to stop in January, February. That's down here in the corner of the world. We really appreciate your support. We are a small family business that's making a go at farming in New England. If anybody has any questions at all, please feel free to corner me anytime or send me an email, give me a call. And if you have a farmer question, you can certainly ask my Uncle Steve. Thank you guys. Thank you.
What do you say, Austin? What do you say? Thank you. Yeah, yay. How was the tour, mister? Did you like it?
Watch this stuff.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. What are you looking for?
I saw it.
What?
Waldo.
Oh, where? Oh, you're right. There is Waldo on the shelf. When we were coming to the door, there's a sign that says "Find Waldo." Aiden was so excited and he couldn't wait to find him, and he already found it in like 2 seconds. He's good. And these are local food. These are the local food that they have from their farm. Some blueberries, zucchini, wow. And they have wonderful, awesome trees. Look at all these. They look so good. I can eat them all. Everything. All right, YouTube, Chrisandnima. If you have a chance to look at. Okay, thanks. Here.
Oh, nice.
We'll start with this for now. You gotta share with everybody, okay? Did you hear him? No. Nonchalant, no.
Do you want fries? No, I don't want fries.
Then what are you? Oh, it's hot, Chris. Just... Is it super hot? Aiden? This is so much fun, isn't it, guys? Did you see the cow up there? Austin, did you see the cow? Hey, baby. He's too busy eating. He's hungry. Look. These aprons are so adorably cute. I like these purse. It's really pretty. This is the money that Aiden showed. That's cool. I don't know what this is for. I guess. Oh, this is a bottle opener. This is a bottle opener. Can you dance to the music? Dance more. Who wants to go dance? Daddy?
Of course I do.
Austin, you want to go dance? It's a great band out there. They're really good. We had such a good time here. Alright, we had such a good time here. It's time to go home. The kids got their ice cream. We had some food and we enjoyed it very much. Everybody liked it? Yeah. Look at him. He got his water. He's all set. Ice cream and water. He's good. This is so peaceful and it's so lovely. I actually feel the raindrops a little bit. But, I mean, there's a big cloud above us. Austin, are you having fun? Oh, it's Daddy!
Aiden didn't eat.
Oh my God, it's Chris! Who's that raindrop in me? I really thought it was the raindrop the whole time. Because there's a big giant cloud above us. Look at that. So I really thought it was raindrops.
It was the cloud.
Uh-huh. I really wanted to see pig. Austin wanted to see pig, and we haven't seen one pig this whole summer yet. It's pretty sad.
Oh, cows.
I know. Everywhere we go, it's cows and goats and other stuff. But we really want to see pigs. Austin really want to see pigs. We haven't seen any.
Watch Aiden eating ice cream.
There's a piggy. And there's a little piggy. Ice cream piggies. No, I mean animal pig. We haven't seen any yet. And I really want to see one. At least I want to show it to Austin because he really like talks about pig and like makes this cute pig noise. I want to bring him to a pig farm or something. So the event we went to, it didn't feel like an event. I feel like they were just advertising their store and they just had the ride. They didn't have much for kids. I mean, they had a band. That was kind of cool. That was neat. And I think they're gonna have a lot more things to do later for adult-wise. Like they have the band, and you can bring your own drinks and sit down and enjoy the band. And I don't know what else is going on, but it was fun. Kids did have a lot of fun just running around doing their own thing. But it was not like there was not much to do. Basically, we really went on the ride and we ate food, and that was pretty much it. But I mean, the kids were happy, and that's all that matters, really. So we didn't, you know, even though we didn't do much, but kids still had a lot of fun.
Here you go. It's all yours. Here you go, bro. Eat the whole thing. Hey, where did all your clothes go?
Why are you naked?
Here you go. That's your pizza.
Okay,
You
let's
enjoy
go in the room.
that.
Let's go in the room now.
It might be hot.
Let's go in the room now.
He's like, okay, that's natural. Yeah, I'll take the whole thing. All right.
It's like his birthday cake when he wanted the whole full sheet of birthday cake.
He's screaming happy.
Are you happy?
Who's happy? All right, Austin's got his food. Hey, where's everyone else's pizza? Now this is good pizza. It's sausage on one part and the other thing, and this defines a good pizza place if they have this. Not a lot of places do. It's artichoke hearts. It is so good on pizza. I love artichoke hearts. Me and Nima, we just go like crazy over it. And there's only like a couple places in town that have it. You don't get to see it very often. So when you see artichoke hearts, you gotta go with it because it's one of the best toppings you can get. Did you eat that whole piece?
This is his third.
You know, I can kind of see it. I can kind of see it right here. It's settling right here.
Your belly's pumped up.